Hello everyone. For my first video, we'll be doing a quick overview of the immune system. So, what does our immune system do? Well, firstly, our immune system is involved with protecting us from all sorts of pathogens, which can cause harm or disease to our body. Secondly, our immune system is involved with detecting and destroying abnormal cells, such as cancer cells. Finally, our immune system plays a very important role in the clearing of cellular debris, which can be left over from inflammation or from dead or dying cells, such as cells undergoing apoptosis. Now that we know the roles of our immune system, let's look into what exactly contributes to our immune system. Our immune system can be broken down into three different categories. The first category is physical barriers. This includes anything that acts to physically prevent the entry of pathogens into our body. Our skin and our mucosal surfaces fall within this category. The second category is innate immunity, which is our first real branch of the immune system. This includes innate immune cells such as monocytes, macrophages, neutrophils, and many more cells that I'll cover in future videos, as well as chemicals and molecules within our bodily fluids, such as the complement system, that act to protect us from infection. The final component of our immune system is adaptive immunity, which forms our second branch of immunity. This includes immune cells such as B and T lymphocytes, of whose function I will go over in great detail in future videos. It's important to keep in mind that the three components of our immune system act in unique ways to keep us protected from infection. Physical barriers simply act as an innate source of protection from pathogens. The presence of these barriers alone is enough to keep us safe from infection. Our innate immune system is responsible for responding rapidly and non-specifically to pathogens upon infection. What this means is that our innate immune system will be the first responders to any infection. However, our innate immune system also responds the same way every time, no matter what the pathogen we encounter is. Finally, there's adaptive immunity, which is not as rapid as innate immunity and requires priming before it becomes active. Once activated, adaptive immunity is much more specialized, much more specific, and provides us with immunological memory. You can think of these castle walls and its moat as our physical barriers. Their presence alone is protecting the castle from any attackers. The guards on the castle walls can be thought of as our innate immune system. They're always there guarding the castle walls from attackers, and they'll respond rapidly if anyone tries to breach the walls. However, they'll respond the same way every time, no matter who tries to attack, whether it be a thief or a full army. The army can be thought of as our adaptive immune system. They won't be called in until the guards call for help, and they're much more specialized and much more specific. Depending on who's attacking the castle, they can call in more archers, or more horsemen, or more foot soldiers. This allows for a much more specific attack. The army is also able to remember how it defeated previous attackers, allowing them to effectively clear them if they ever try to attack the castle again in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new. If you'd like to learn more about some of the concepts I talked about in this video, stay tuned to my channel. I'll have more immunology videos out in the future.